Ang importante, let's not make the people suffer the damage. Ano nangyayari ngayon? Sa flood control, sa mga infrastructure projects, people are suffering the damage because your mayors, your congressmen, they fail to act like that. Ayaw nilang pera nyo. Ayaw nilang bantayan. My goodness. Ano nangyari sa mga ghost projects? Anong mangyayari dun sa mga substandard? Tapos na, na-release na lahat ng pera. Ito, hindi pa nga na-release eh. Diba? They put him in ICI. Now they're trying to cripple him. Kasi they put him in a crippled position, he made it to work.